Winter kind of sucks as a car guy, but it doesn't have to. What you're probably missing is a friend with a WRX and a snow tube. Okay, so we're gonna use the roll tank to fill up these snow tubes. The STI is here. It is all-wheel drive because as you can tell, it's coming down pretty good. So this is gonna be perfect. On the back of the bumper, here's the hook that you connect the tubes to. Safety first, of course. Oh shit. Okay, Tom, slow down. We're a little covered in snow. Uh-oh. Good luck. I'm like on the ground, bro. Oh, a little dangerous. Oh shit, what the hell was that?